A successful hunt always requires you to master hunting skills and be well equipped with essential gear, but the right equipment can make all the difference. When it comes to deer hunting, you need to choose the right type of gear to go the extra mile. However, it would be best if you chose wisely. Keep this in mind. That said, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 13 must-have gear for deer hunting based on their essential functions and performance. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
During archery hunting, some hunters find it difficult to store their arrows in a more organized way. This Bohning pocket quiver is designed to help them. Made out of sturdy and durable plastic, this pocket quiver is going to last for years. It can hold 6 arrows of any diameter securely and will stay safely in the back pocket or hip pocket without causing any trouble while walking. Lastly, this 4.64-ounce pocket quiver comes with an anchoring clip, which also ensures a secure attachment into your pocket. You might have your personal preference for the hiding or taking cover during hunting, but a tree stand like the Summit Stand's Viper SD plays an essential role during your hunt. This 20-pound tree stand is crafted from high-quality aluminum for ultimate rigidity and durability. Plus, it is equipped with sound-deadening technology which eliminates climbing noise. Furthermore, this hunting gear contains coated steel cables and a climber frame to help you with effortless climbing. It's also got a camouflage seat with suspended foam padding and can accommodate up to 300 pounds. It's gonna be a great option for deer hunting. In the woods, you can meet many unpleasant creatures, among which mosquitoes can be the most annoying ones, especially while hunting. So, it would be best if you kept a mosquito repeller like this Thermacell MR300 in your hunting arsenal. Equipped with trans-alethrin, this mosquito repeller can create 15 feet of protection zone. It will provide unrivaled protection against those pesky critters for up to 12 hours. Another remarkable fact regarding this 6.4-ounce hunting gear is that it's scent-free, deed-free, and doesn't create smoke spray. In short, no mess. During hunting, a good quality multi-tool can help you in a myriad of ways, from cutting small branches, ropes, to tightening screws of your gear. So get yourself introduced to this Leatherman Signal. Crafted from 420 high carbon stainless steel, this 7.5-ounce multi-tool will endure years of wear and tear. This multi-tool is equipped with a 2.73-inch long blade, a saw, a wire strapper, a ferro rod, pliers, a hammer, and many more utilities to help you accomplish various jobs with the utmost precision. It gives you 19 tools for different work purposes, which will help you a lot when you're far away from all the tools. Take your shooting skill to the next level by making it more precise and accurate with the help of the Vortex Optics Crossfire 2 Riflescope. This Riflescope will withstand everything your adventure throws at it, and it's constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum. Plus, this 15.6-ounce gear is nitrogen-purged, O-ring sealed, and has hard-coat anodization, resulting in ultimate protection in adverse weather conditions. Lastly, this Riflescope comes with 44mm objective lens and 3.9-inch eye relief. These functions ensure 4 to 12x magnification, excellent light transmission, and a comfortable viewing experience. Nothing can be more exciting than hunting with arrows and hearing the schwack. But for that, your arrows must have high-quality broadheads. So take a close look at these Swhacker 100-grain 2-inch broadheads. Each set contains 3 broadheads. The blades of these broadheads are made out of stainless steel. Their point consists of high carbon steel, while the ferrule is crafted from anodized aircraft aluminum. Therefore, you'll get optimum cutting performance for years without rust and corrosion. Finally, these broadheads can yield 55 foot-pounds of kinetic energy, which enables them to penetrate through hair, dirt, hide, and bones like butter. As of now, you have quite a few hunting gear, and to keep all these pieces of hunting equipment safe as well as secure, you need a high-quality hunting backpack like this Mystery Ranch Treehouse. It's manufactured from 500 deniers of Condora fabric, and its frame is made of high-density polyethylene. So, undoubtedly, it is going to last for years without compromising its quality. This 4.6 pounds hunting backpack comes with a main compartment, 1 stash pocket, mesh pockets, and is hydration reservoir compatible. In total, it provides you with 31 liters of storage. You never know when you may encounter danger in the woods, so it's always good to stay prepared and keep a first aid kit like this Surviveware small first aid kit with you. Made with 600 denier polyester, this 1-pound emergency kit is highly robust and durable. It comes with 100 essential life-saving items, including bandages and emergency blankets, splinter probes, and so on to help you during emergencies. Last but not least, this kit features mole-compatible straps, which let you attach this gear to your hunting backpack or belt. The deer hunting gear list seems entirely incomplete without a top-notch hunting knife, and so we bring you the Benchmade Meatcrafter 15500. It's got a 6.08-inch long blade crafted from CPM 154 stainless steel. Plus, the trailing point-style blade also features a bead blast finish, and all these functions make it razor-sharp, as well as incredibly durable. Finally, this 3.24-ounce hunting knife includes an ergonomic handle crafted from santoprene. staying concealed and comfortable while hunting deer is as crucial as picking the right gear. And a best quality hunting jacket like this legendary Whitetails Huntguard jacket can help you with that. Its outer shell is made from a 100% polyester, and its membrane is constructed from a 100% polyurethane. At the same time, the lining consists of a blend of polyester and nylon. As a result, it can keep you protected and comfortable for an extended period of time. Lastly, this 1-pound jacket contains a removable hood with a rain visor for added warmth and strength. Every hunter needs to stroll on uneven and rugged terrains while hunting, so it is essential to wear a pair of high-quality boots like the Danner Pronghorn for maximum foot protection and comfort. Its upper consists of full-grain leather, making the boot pair amazingly strong and durable. Besides, each pair features rubberized EVA midsoles and Vibram Pronghorn outsoles, and thus they deliver optimum traction, comfort, and support. Meet the second most essential deer hunting item that you shouldn't forget to pack, and that is binoculars from the world's renowned manufacturer, Vortex Optics, titled Vortex Optics Viper HD. Equipped with 42mm objective lenses, this 24.9-ounce will provide you with stunning 10x magnified and high-resolution images in low-light conditions. Last but not least, this binocular has 70mm of eye relief, which makes prolonged hours of observation comfortable and fun. So we're about to hit the end line. Before that, let's meet our top pick on the list, a hunting crossbow titled 10-point Viper S400. Without it, you can barely hunt big game and get the most out of hunting. This forward draw crossbow comes with an 11-inch long power stroke and can shoot projectiles at a blistering speed of up to 400 feet per second, so your prey gets no chance to escape. Equipped with the AccuSlide cocking device, this 7.5-pound crossbow makes cocking and recocking noiseless and effortless. So that was our list of the 13 must-have gear for deer hunting. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.